So guys, I just bought a new gaming monitor. This one is from MSI and the model number is MAG 321 UP. It's a QD-OLED monitor with 32-inch screen, and the resolution is 4K with the refresh rate of 165 Hz. So it's a brand new monitor by MSI, so I decided to purchase this one. So let's do the unboxing, and I'll show you how it looks like, how the colors are on the screen. So when we open the box, it comes with the plug. Here's the power plug, then this is the display port cable, and this one is, I guess, HDMI cable. So here's the manual from MSI. Here is the what we call the stand of the monitor, the frame. So I'll just open the seal now. So here's the mount. I guess it's we call this a mount, or we will call this a stand. And here's the monitor. I'll just open the wrap. There's no one here to help me, so I have to record with one hand and I show you with the other hand. So I'll just put on the mount and stand, and then I'll show you. So I have set up the monitor. You can see how it looks. Right now I have played a video from Microsoft Flight Simulator, and it's looking, I cannot explain like how realism it's looking. So here's the keyboard that I'm using. It's from Red Dragon, and this is a mouse. It's a wireless mouse. I can use it with wire as well. It's from the Steel series, and here's the beast. Look how beautiful it is. I'll show you the back as well. Right now I'm using the DP port. So this monitor is really great. I can adjust the height as well, and also tilt a little bit, some degrees to the left and to the right. I cannot like fully tilt it vertically. I don't even need that. So this is what it looks like. All those of you who are planning to buy a monitor, or who are still confused whether to get this monitor, I would say you should definitely get this monitor without any second thought. So here was a short this was a short unboxing video of this monitor. I'll see you in the next video.